Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to Mr. Brian Yackel. Hey Brian, you were the first one to comment on my last video and I just want to say thank you for all of your support. So today I have another unboxing from Ft.Melodysusie. They sent me over a nail dust collector to review. So we're going to jump right in. I want to say thank you to them for sending me over these products to review. So when you open the box, you receive a user manual. So the dust collector comes nice and properly packaged. In the box includes a outlet plug and it's super easy to set up. All you do is plug that in and you're ready to go. So as you can see, there's 3 touchscreen feature buttons, the power button and then the fan for a low speed or a high speed. So like I said, it's super easy. I'm just showing you guys how you disassemble the vent cleaner to clean it out. It's super easy to use. All you do is plug in the black port into the side, plug and play just like I said, and boom, you're all set up and ready to go. Dust collectors are great, so it's mess free when doing your nails, and if you have allergies that are bad like me, this really eliminates you sneezing so much from dust floating all around the room. If you have little ones at home, this is a really good addition to your nail collection and I definitely would recommend investing in one. Thank you again to Ft.Melodysusie for sending me over these products. I will leave my discount code down below and the links in the description. But let's hop right into the tutorial. So I'm sizing my nails out. These are full ABS plastic nail covers. I did purchase these off of Amazon, but like I said, all links will be down below. I'm making sure that my nail covers fit wall to wall. If you come across one that's too big or too small, make sure you always opt for the bigger one. So I'm going to use my dust collector because, as I said previously, these are ABS plastic. So I'm going to etch the inside so the polygel has something to stick to. If you want your nails to last a long time, this is definitely a very important step. Sometimes I do forget it though, and they still do, hold up for me, but this is definitely going to keep your nails held together to the polygel since these are plastic and not soft gel nail covers. So for my polygel, I'm going to be using 2B Glam polygel in the shade Sweet Talk. All I'm going to do is take this little heart-shaped brush and I'm going to apply some slip solution in there. If you guys don't have slip solution, you can use alcohol. But it's super easy to use polygel. If you never used it before, all you do is take a small amount and you start applying it in your full nail covers. I leave the bottom of the nail covers thinner than the rest of the area, and then I slide the nail on and I tap underneath of it as well. Another hack I wanted to point out is that to eliminate the time that your hand is in the lamp, you can do multiple nails at once, as you guys can see here. So I actually went ahead and applied 3 of my polygel nails and then I put my hand in the lamp and cured for about 30 seconds. I do this to eliminate the time that my hand is in that UV lamp. As you guys know, I really started using UV lamp gloves or UV protection gloves and sunscreen more, just because I don't want to age my hands too quickly. Yeah, this method is super easy, so all I'm going to do is sit back and let you guys watch me work. So here's what they're looking like. Really quickly, we're going to go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and wipe our nails down before we start shaping, because polygel can definitely leave a little bit of a sticky residue. I'm going in with a nail file and I'm filing my nails down to my preferred shape. What I'm realizing with nail files is some black nail files, like this one here, can leave behind a black residue. So honestly, I have links to my preferred nail files, but I prefer ones that are lighter shades, like a white or a gray. Nothing that's black anymore, just because they some of them do leave behind a residue and I don't really like that. But all I'm doing is shaping my nails. So after you're finished with that, I'm going in with these hand nail brushes that I actually purchased off of TJ Maxx and I love them. I'm going in with the MAKARRT system. I'm going to be using their base coat and their black Nior polish. I'm going in with the base coat on the nails that I'm fully painting a gel polish color. I love MAKARRT's gel polishes. They're amazing. I definitely recommend 10 out of 10. And if you guys are interested, I do have a discount code. Everything will be down below, linked in the description. But I'm just doing a simple design today. All I'm going to be using is gel polish. I'm going to be using that stripe tape that I've used in some of my other tutorials, and bling. So it's super easy. I'm just going to let you guys watch me work and chime in on things that I want to mention. As I'm recording this, I'm just realizing that I freaking hit 10K, y'all. Like, I just, like, thank you. I don't even, words can't describe, like, how much this means to me. Like, I don't even know 10,000 people. You know what I mean? Like, wow. Thank you guys. This is not the end of the thank you, that's for sure. I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway video, everything. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a huge giveaway. Like, I just love you guys. Thank you guys so much. All your love and support does not go unappreciated. I promise you that. I'm going in with some Beetles rhinestone gel. I absolutely love this rhinestone gel. Beetles and MAKARRT's rhinestone gel are top tier. If you're a rhinestone person, invest in one of these because your rhinestones will go nowhere. They're super good, they're super durable, and they're very strong. They hold your rhinestones in place. So now the final finale, this is my favorite part. I'm adding cuticle oil to my nails. As I say in every video, this is a very important step, and here are the final results. I'm super in love with this design. I really love it. The pink and the black, I just feel like it sets it off. Let me know what you guys think about this look down below in the comments. Thank you again for 10,000 subscribers. Like I said, this video, like, please take this lightly because my neck, I'm gonna go hard. Like, new everything, intro, outro, giveaways, it's gonna be crazy. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will catch you guys on Monday. Bye.